What's happening, Deal Sauce? Justin Tuminowski here. Hey, coming at you with a MLS listings quick search. So we're going to go right into it, talk about finding deals that are active on market, maybe expired, and also going to show you one of the newest features. So quick search here. We have leads. We are going to go in New Hampshire. That is my backyard. I am always buying creative deals there. So we have New Hampshire. That's the state. Guys, pretty awesome that we can go to all states. 500,000 records. Active would mean active listings, of course, right on the quick drop-down menu there. So we got our ingredients there. So if we want active listings, there you go. Filter by any other means necessary. Now we went into the filters button here, right here, guys, filters. You can see what we have on the left-hand side. So as long as it's on the left-hand side, that means it's being searched. So I actually want to add more property types. By default, we always leave out land and mobiles. I'm going to add some mobiles in there because those are pretty awesome. All right, mobiles on land are added. We left the land itself out. How about we go down to listing information? That's where we're going to get active, pending, coming soon, expired, sold. How about this? Do you want to find actives that maybe had a status change in the last, I don't know, week? That's where you would do that here. This is a status change date. These are custom calendars where you get to search in between two dates. Other than just going, hey, days on market, we're going to go, 30 days, 60 days. No, we want to go a little bit fine tuner than that, right? So let's go, if we want to get expireds, let's go remove the active listings, go expired. Let's search a date. Let's go backwards. So we're going to go with the oldest date first. So January 1st to the 4th of November. What do we got? We got 254 expired, canceled, expired, all right here, guys. I don't have to show you the whole list, but that is a quick MLS search with customization. Of course, we can layer the filters. We can do all the things till the cows come home, but guys, I'm getting you in front of just the opportunities. When you want to get in front of the agents, all you're going to do is click on one of these properties and boom, look at this. We gave you all the best data you can get for agents. I'm hearing phenomenal things from the agent information that we were getting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking for more videos and you can't find them, please go over to my YouTube channel because that's where all the other longer tutorials and all the things that we're not going to put on Deal Sauce held. On Deal Sauce, I'll see you on the next one.